Welcome to Batanes.
So, currently napami sa amin because of unfavorable wind conditions. Good guys.
Ay, konti.
Hi guys, good morning. This is around 2. Kay kagapon man good guys, wala na nadayon among flight but wala mi nakaland because of strong winds dito sa Basco. So nag-attempt og land ang pilot for 2 times, but after that balik mi diri sa Clark. So technically guys, nami diri sa Clark and it's July 17 and is Friday. So hopefully this time guys, nicer ang weather and maka-land me safely.
Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR2688 bound for Basco.
Ano na, pushback na pala. Let's go Basco. Let's go Basco Batanes.
If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist.
So safety demonstration na guys.
Your life vests are found under your seats on the water landing.
Yay! Thank you Lord.
Perfect.
Guys, take off na guys. Climbing to the flying altitude or cruising altitude. See you Clark in a few days. So guys, nanata sa 22 minutes nga flight na. So currently napami sa mainland Luzon. As you can see, ang view is the Sierra Madre mountain range. Look at that guys. Hindi ko sure kung maklaro ninyo guys, pero mountainous area, the Sierra Madre. Sa other side kay ang Cordillera mountain range. Yes.
During the service and would like to have your snack now, please call the attention of any of your cabin crew by pressing the attendant call button. We'll be more than happy to serve you. Thank you.
So, flight update guys. Around mga 40 minutes flight na. And as you can see, we are at the tip of Luzon na guys. Look at that. Tip of Luzon. And that's part of Cagayan. I think Apari, dira sa baba. But now we are at the tip of Luzon going to Batanes. Yay! Thank you Lord for the nice weather. Tip of Luzon. Nag-update ang captain guys. So ang time now is 8:13 o 8:13 and ang estimated arrival time daw sa Basco is 8:40 AM gadwili. So weather update daw is moderate to strong winds coming from the west daw guys. And then ang ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius. So hopefully despite the winds makalandra gyapon ta guys. Kay kagapon ba guys no, because of the winds nag failed ang landing attempt twice. So mautong nabalik mi sa Clark. Pero hopefully this time better na ang winds nga makaland rami. So yeah, hoping fingers crossed guys. Yeah. guys, nami sa initial approach. As you can see, kung makita ninyo, Sabtang Island, and ang Batan to sa other side. Sabtang Island, guys. Sabtang, then Batan. Yay, hello Batanes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please make sure your seat belts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, landing station.
So guys, kanang nag-abort na pod ang landing, and then because of unfavorable wind conditions, good guys, kusog good siya ang wind na nagbalik mi guys. So imbis landing na unta, saka na pod again. So mag-back mi sa kuan, mag-try ang captain og landing again. Hopefully makalan na mi this time guys. Thank you, Lord.
7 minutes.
Guys, 8:47. Guys, nakalan mi. Thank you, Lord.
Stand with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched
Yay.
off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated. and
Thank
wait
you,
instructions
Lord.
for deplaning. We recommend passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance.
Nakulbaan kaya ako sa nakulbaan ko guys sa second attempt, pero yeah, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Nakalan na mi. Yay. Yay. Thank you, Lord. Actually guys, second attempt na mo niya siya sa pagland. My God, thank you, Lord.
Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Yay. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, record naman gyapon na siya.
Yay, thank you, Lord.
Yay! Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Mom!
Hindi ka kinabahan?
Well, ay, kunti. Sige, makita tayo. Ikaw, ma.
Ako hanggang ngayon, oh, grabing tulak ko.
Thank you. Ikaw, what can you say?
Wala ako. Chiller ako, guys. I don't feel any pressure. Wow.
Si Ma'am, si Ma'am.
Ikaw, ma'am. Sa'yo.
Para ako nasa action movie. parang gusto ko himatayin.
Yes. Thank you. Pero ang important, nakaland tayo safe and
Safe and
sound. Thank you, Mr. Pilot.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Mr. Pilot.
Ate Mel.
It's Ate Mel. Go, Ate Mel. Thank you, Lord. Nakaabot kami. Welcome to Basco, Batanes. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. Kaya nga, Mom. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Salamat. Thank you. Yay! Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Yay! Salamat. Nag-thank you. Nag-thank you siya sa captain. Yay! It's Ate Rojet. Ate Rojet, welcome to Batanes. Yay! Murag gilaban niya ang paglang ni Ate Rojet kay kabalo ka. Kay mas dagan mata karon. Yay! Welcome to Batanes. Ate Mel, what can you say?
Finally! My gosh, I'm so stressed out na kanina.
Hindi mo nag-second round, boyo. Yay! It's Kuya. Welcome to Batanes, guys. Thank you, Lord. Yay! Welcome to Batanes. Kani siya, guys. Pag abot karon, mao din ni siya ang arrivals area. There, busy pa mga pan, guys. Guys, kung saan ang mga baggage. So guys, pagawas ninyo sa kuan diri sa arrival area na ay registration dito, guys. So mag-register mo before mo mani og Basco, maka-register na madaan. Then need man gud nila. Giisa naman namo among registration. Yeah. Oh, kani din, guys. Visitors ay salamat. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Nandito na. ID? Ay, wow! Naara di, guys. Na-ID. Na-ID, guys. Na-ID. Ano di siya, guys? Look at this.
May ID?
Oh, na-ID. Ala, cute ka.
Hello.
La, nice ka ayo.
Dapat gitarong na akong smile ba?
Guys, so na-ID ni siya ID. Amazing. So, para daw makakuha ta og discount for this.
Dapat
Hello, Ate Mel. Nice ka ayo.
Ay, meron pala talaga ID.
Nice kayo, guys. So, before coming here to Basco, naamanggoy kuan, guys, app nga kinahanglan mo mag-download and kinahanglan mo mag-register first. Pero mag-pay og 405 pesos. So, hatagan din mo pag abot ninyo diri sa Basco. Of course, ipakita lang ninyo tong inyong gi-fill up na form and then hatagan din mo og guide sa Batanes and of course your ID. Nice kay, guys. Kay once daw you present this ID, you will have a 10% discount sa mga establishments here in Batanes. Amazing.
May ID na tayo.
Yay, my ID. Thank you. Let's go. So guys, mo niyo siya ang pagawas. Ay, wow. Ana Maria Clemente. Ana Maria Pimentel. Let's go. Dito ta. Let's go. Wow, nara si Ate Mel.
Nagawa, kahit dito po na tayo. I-wait lang po natin yung iba.
Salamat. Yay. Welcome to Batanes. Chi. Yay. So guys, mo nilang airport guys. Cutie kaayo guys. Marsha og balay. Yes, it's Ate Mel. Cutie. Oh, then kuha na din guys. Kuha na din siya. Basko na dayon. Nara. Yay! Hi! It's Kuya. What can you say? Welcome to Batanes. Yay! Muna siya guys. Mora na yung airport guys. Dayon. Batanes na rin dito. Yay! Sakay namin sa van guys. Let's ride the van. Hindi na ta. Hi guys. Thank you Lord. Nakasulod na gid mi sa van guys. Yay! It's Ate Mel and Kevin and Renberto lagi. Marbitog bahala na rin. Boy, what can you say?
Welcome to Batanes.
It's Kuya, Ate Roget, and nasa la dito. Yay! So, mora ni siya guys, ang Batanes. Balay na dayon guys. Mga bahay na dayon, no? Balay na dayon, no?
Sabi, kailangan ganito na kami. Parang ginagawa.
Yes. Lagi. Oh, ang mama ni Ki sa likod.
Oh, nagganon pa kayo?
Yes.
Ako din sila.
Oh, nanadayon.
Hindi ko na pinapansin talaga. Yung pagtaas na...
Amazing.
A few moments later.
Guys, mao ni among stayhan si Kuya guys. It's Kuya. Naami sa Residencia do Basco. Tsada madidiri guys, kaya na siya pool. Oh, mao ni ang ilang entrance. Hi! Basco Batanes. Kani guys kay Residencia do Basco. Wait lang guys. Residencia do Basco. So guys, tanawa guys, mao na siya yung gawas. Ay, kani guys. Mao ni siya ang among stayhan. Look at the lobby. That's the lobby. And torta guys. Na siya yung pool. Look at the pool. And yay! Mao ni siya among mga rooms. Star filler kita guys. So welcome to Basco. Hello, excited sa po. Naman di pool guys na sa mga CR. Dito na pwede kung function, special function, second floor mo. Diri dayon. Doon rin di siya sa airport guys. Dali guys. Check in sa ta. So guys, mani siya ang Residencia do Basco. Diri among stayhan. Dayon ang iyang front guys kay Marsha ko na. Like kanang Farmville. Nice kayo kay laid back kayo guys. Dayon mo na ilang sala. And Wi-Fi. Nag-update pa si Ate na. Nag-login pa siya. And Renberg.
Hi guys. We are now in Basco, Batanes. It's a combo place.
Lord, nice ra ang weather guys. Dito and dito. Dito mi sa katong room 410 na siguro. Tanaw sa na to guys. Guys, gawin namin sa room. Thank you to ma'am. 206 po. Yes. Ayan. Yay. Bago to ma'am? Itong hotel.
2009.
Dito tayo ma'am. 206. 206 yes. 2000. Oo, may family room. Ito. Ay, wow. Thank you po.
Kayo na po yung magpasok.
Oo. Tapos, ayan, thank you po. Ay, wow. Sige po. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Lagi. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Yay!
Hey, lagi
Welcome
tag-room.
to Basco, Batanes. So guys, hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our room here in Residencia de Basco, do Basco. So guys, room tour lang. So pagsulod, you will have your cabinet, sorry na namang mga barong guys. And then, safety deposit box. And then, later na ang CR. We have a big mirror here, dressing room. We have hair dryer, mga essentials, shaving kit, vanity kit. We have a drawer, slippers as you can see guys. And then, you have our mini fridge. Look at the mini fridge. Bottled waters, bottles, tea. And then, yeah, look at that guys. Very spacious, very luag. Yes. And also we have a full-length body mirror there. And then, proceed with the TV. We have a flat screen TV. Of course, complete with a remote. And I think this is king size bed. Look at this. Very big guys. So we have two side tables. And the best part guys, look at it. Paano man to guys? Oh my gosh. Look at this guys. Look at that. Look at that. So this is the view. It's the pool. We are in the second floor. So look at that. And then proceed muna tayo guys sa CR. Let's go. So going to the CR. Come. There. Sink, dental kit, soap, and the water closet with bidet, and the shower area. Okay, so guys, this is very nice. Thank you, Lord. So this is our room. Thank you for the sponsors. To the sponsors. So yeah, we'll be paying for this guys, of course. Yes. So yeah, yan lang muna guys. Yan lang muna Tagalog. So Tagalog. Mag-relax kami guys. Yay, thank you Lord. Hi guys, so finally naanami diri sa Batanes, diri guys sa among room. Ang among accommodation guys kay ginatawag siya og Residencia do Basco. Residencia do Basco. So, kuan siya guys, 3 floor siya. Na siya establishment guys. And then, nanin siya free breakfast, I think. Oo. And ang breakfast daw is from 5:30 a.m. taman sa 9 a.m. 5:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. So guys, it's already 10:25 in the morning. So ano lang guys, summary lang. Actually guys, today man is July 17. It is a Friday. The weather is nice. Actually, yesterday paunta mi makaabot here sa Batanes. So, July 16 yun. But, however, because of grabe ang wind conditions, guys, naglisod og land ang among pilot. So, 2 attempts yesterday na magland. So, pag abot sa 3rd attempt, kuan na din siya, pasaka na din siya guys, diretso na din naka-decide ang pilot nga i-abort na lang gyud ang landing and mobalik mi sa Clark kay kusog gyud kaayo ang hangin ato nga time. So to cut the long story short, nagpa-rebook mi for today and then kuan na lang mi guys, nag-book na lang mi og hotel dito sa Clark Imperial Hotel guys. Salamat sa staff sa Clark Imperial Hotel. And then overnight lang, so naglaag na lang mi sa Angeles City, nag-dinner mi sa SM City Clark, at least nakalaag na lang pod mi. Although dili naman amo first time sa SM City Clark, but at least thankful me for the opportunity nga naka-visit again sa SM City Clark. And then so naka-rebook na mi guys, so early morning kaganiha, gi-pick up mi sa hotel around 5 a.m. Dayon normal boarding process, mga 7:23 gid mi guys, naka-take off mi. So smooth ra gyud ang trip, buyag all throughout, walay turbulence. So katong paano na guys, final approach na. So at first medyo windy gyud ang conditions today as compared to yesterday. So pag ana kanang duol na unta mi magland, kanang kuan gyud ang stable ang wind, no, or ang wind condition, so mauto na abort na pud ang among landing. So that's the first attempt today. So nagbalik ang pilot, ana siya nga after a few minutes magland mi hopefully by around 8:50 am. So second attempt na guys, final approach na po. So may gali kay kuan, although windy gid siya, makita gid nimo from the windows, but gigilaban man sa pilot, nakaland ra gyud mi guys. Hard landing, but that is expected because short runway man gud diri sa Basco guys. But ang important thing kay nakaabot gyud mi safe and sound. Thank you to our pilots, Captain Azarcon daw guys, and First Officer Lady man to. So salamat, thank you Philippine Airlines for the safe travel and arrival here in Basco, Batanes. So guys, so gi-pick up me, and very important thing guys that you will need to do before coming here to Batanes, kay na ay guys, kanang online nga arrival para more siya kanang e-gov or e-travel if you go outside the Philippines, but you need to fill up a Batanes information sheet or record online before coming here to Batanes. So si Ate Mel siya ang nag-fill up sa amo ana on behalf of us. So isa-isa siya guys, and then you will need your details, no, birthday, gender, complete name, where to stay, your address, and of course magpicture dayon guys. So once nga you will pay 405 pesos I think. So that's done. So amo ra to siyang na-achieve yesterday kay, 'di ba, yesterday man dapat among flight. So once you arrive na here in Batanes, you will get your baggage, and so before you go out sa main door or you exit the building, there is a parang booth where they will ask for the Batanes information, parang arrival form. So si Ate Camel na ang nag-facilitate. So nakuha ra na mo ang kuan guys. They will distribute parang brochure. Look at this. It is Breathtaking Batanes. So inside this brochure, tourist information siya guys actually. So let us experience Batanes. So this one, Breathtaking Batanes siya guys. So what not to miss in Batanes, the things that you need to know in Batanes, useful Ivatan phrases, kay ang ilang kuan diri guys, ang mga people are called Ivatan, no? People from Batanes. Look at that. And then so ato siyang i-open guys. Handy-dandy ra kayo siya guys, and this is very important for us na at least makakuan lang taba. Overview lang, good glimpse. So we have glimpses of the past, Ivatan architecture na diri guys, ang ilang food, flora and fauna, music and dance, everything about Batanes in just a simple piece of paper. Very, very concise yet very relevant and very helpful for us. And then na-amaze kami guys kay you will be given a tourist card. It is a visitor pass di ay. So it is guys, in fairness, mura siya og credit card or ATM. Yeah, dili siya katong flimsy bitaw nga paper, but yeah, very nice. We have the picture kato among gi-picture prior to coming here, the name, visitor pass number, and then you have a QR code. And guys, what's important is when you have this card already, kay when you visit kanang mga establishments here in Batanes, present this card and you will have 10% discount. So yeah, so aside from the kuan, you having a remembrance, you also have a 10% discount. So don't forget to bring this guys. So I think kana lang, we will be having a tour. Ideally, kaya diba dapat kagahapon may nag-arrive, so today will be our tour good. So nag-ask man si akong niece guys if pwede pa ba daw, feasible pa ba daw ang tour. So apparently yes, kaya pa daw ang tour guys. Dili ko sure if i-finish na mo ang both North and South Batan tours, but pick up time will be from 11 to 11:30 here from the hotel. So depende na lang dayon guys kung unsa ang atong tour for today. But thank you Lord, the weather is nice. Tanawa guys, so this is our view. So again, human naman ta sa atong hotel room tour kaganiya guys. So mo din ni siya atong view. Grabe ka nice. That's the pool. 3 floors na siya guys. We are in the 2nd floor. So ana lang sa for now guys. We will be updating you for sa among mga ganap for today. Thanks guys.